Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Business Online Education. I'm Biswal sir, your math teacher. Today I'm here to teach you exercise 7.2 from Level Up Maths. Let's start the today's work. Exercise 7.2, question number 1. Let's see the questions. Decided where the each triangles are scalene, isosceles and equilateral triangle. Before starting, I have to give it the very basic scalene triangle. We all know that no sides equal. In a triangle, three sides, three different sizes. No one is equal. Isosceles triangle, two sides equal. Equilateral triangle, three sides must be equal. Let's see this, the first one. If you see this first triangle, you can see that easily the down one basement we're watching, it's a small and the rest two are quite similar. But how can you know that these two are similar, equal? You have to measure with the ruler. Whenever you measure the ruler, you can get it that two sides are equal. Whenever two sides are equal, our answer is going to be isosceles triangle. Comes to the B number. If we measure B triangle, you can see that there are three sides. All sides are equal. Whenever all sides are equal, we will decide it's an equilateral triangle. If we see the C number, in C triangle, three different sides there uses to make this triangle. So we can say that this is scalene triangle. D number, if you see that these one is smaller, but rest two of them are same sizes. So two sides equal means isosceles triangle. And the last one, if you see that no sides equal, E number, so no sides equal means scalene triangle. So again, I'm telling how your answer going to be accurate when you use ruler to measure this. From your book picture, you try to measure, then you can find out two sides equal, three sides equal. When three sides equal, it should be equilateral triangle. When two sides equal, it was isosceles triangle. When no sides equal, three different sizes, scalene triangle, we used to say that. Comes to question number 2, please. Name each shapes from its descriptions. They're providing the descriptions, you have to decide which shapes they're talking. A number, I have three equal sides. Three equal sides, equilateral triangle, we will learn from question number 1. So A answer is equilateral triangle. B number, I have four equal sides, four angles of 90. Four equal sides, well, you know that it's a square, and also four angles are 90 degree, all at the right angle, and each corner, four corners. So you know this is square. I have three sides and two equal angles. Isosceles triangle, will learn that two sides equal is two angles also be equal. So isosceles triangle answer is C. D number, I have four equal sides and two pairs of equal sides. Pair of sides means opposite sides are equal. In a rectangle, two opposite sides are equal, and of two opposite pairs are equal. So we can decide this is rectangle. Let's see the next one. So D answer is rectangle. Let's see the next questions. Question number 3. Write the angles of these triangles in the correct places in the table. AB, you can see that in first triangle ABC angles they have given DEF, GHI, JKL. All the corners, all the angles, you have to decide it which one is acute, which is obtuse, which is in right angle. If we describe this first triangle, in a first triangle A angle, you can see that this is less than L shapes, less than 90. Less than 90 means acute. So inside the box A, we have written acute angle. B number, L shapes, so right angle. In the right angle B I have written. C number also acute, I have written on a C. In this process, you have to make a list with these angles. D angles, you can say it's acute. E is more than right angle, obtuse, acute, 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 acute. J also acute. But about the L, you can see that it's a little larger, that's why it's obtuse, and K also acute. So we got only one right angle, which is B. Obtuse is E and L, the rest all are acute angle. Comes to question number 4, please. In question number 4, draw an arrow-headed and mark the reflex angle. Arrow-headed, we have a drawn here, and they said that draw the line of symmetry in a B number. I marked the reflex angle, these are the reflex sides, and I just make half of them and a middle is makes a symmetry line. Opposite sides must be equal, opposite shapes are equal, same to same. C number, they're asking, is the largest angle is acute, obtuse or reflex angle. Largest angle means whatever the reflex angle I just made it in this one. You can see that this after drawing these line of symmetry, I made two triangle, one and one. In this two angle, the larger one, they're asking is it obtuse or acute or right angle. We can see that this is more than L shapes, so we can decide that this is obtuse angle. This one and this one also the obtuse angle. Comes question number 5, please. Pair up each triangle below with the sets of these angles listed. They have given a list with this triangle. You have to match it. Let's zoom it. If you see this, the first triangle, you can see that their opposite corners, opposite angles are equal, but this one is different. So we can see that two angles here 70, 40, 70, 90, and another one you got 35, 35, 110. I think from first to the last, anyone may be for the A number. How can you decide it? You have to measure with the protractor, or you can check it with your normal basic concepts with these. Now if you see that 70 degrees quite larger, but it's not look like a 70. Or one more thing is that 70, 70, it's 41 is given, which is impossible over here. It's more than 90 here. So let's try the next options, which is 35, 35, 110. Yep, so the middle one is quite larger, so we can choose this one, or you can measure with the protractor and you can choose it. So A answer, we got 35, 35, 35 and 110. You can see that I have written, and two angles are equal means two sides are equal. It's been isosceles triangle is this. B number, you can see that these two angles are also equal, and the small, this is a small one, these two are compared to these two, this is smaller one, so easily first options is gonna be for B, or you can measure with the protractor. Comes to the C number, you can see that it's look like a right angle triangle, but you have to confirm with the protractor it's exactly 90 or more than 90. Whenever you measure with the protractor, you can see that this is more than 90, is 95 is here, so we can decide it. C option is 95, 55, 30. C answer is 50. This type of maths, you can get the correct answer whenever you use the protractor. You can use the digital protractor, or you can use your geometry box protractor, plastic protractor, whatever we use to draw some angles, measure the angles. Thank you for today. Allah Hafiz.